Okay, na sa mo partner.
Okay na.
Okay na po na. So mapon po kita sa Miss Friendship.
Go, partner.
Bakod palan.
Best in casual wear.
Best in casual wear. Sisay po ang paguna nindo. Nagkaigwa po sindahan ng pre-judging. Ano po? Okay, sisay daw po nindo. 1 to 10. Ikaw bayo. Karon kita nasa bulangan partner. Ano? Digida 1, dumanda 10. Digida 11. Mga 11.
Okay. Dikit lang pong katuninungan para magkairintindihan kita. Okay. Ang aapudon ko po ay ang best in casual wear.
Siguro partner, bago tapo doon ang best in casual wear, ipapreparatan mga magurang ninhulita sinda po ang matarakod kang sash. Kung si isay pong kandidata ang apo doon, preparan man po ang magurang.
Tama ka dyan, partner. To award our best in casual wear, para po sa trophy, si SK Chairman Ruel James L. Andes. Sa sash ang parents or guardian. So, partner, our best in casual wear.
Best in casual wear goes to candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1, Marinel Ramos. Candidate number 1 representing Zone 6, Bacol, Naga City, our best in casual wear.
To award, I'm calling the attention of the guardian.
Okay, and of course, si parents po.
Upin the sash.
For the parents na ito, patay ko na po nahilig. Kauni po digdi sa sakuyang harani. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the mother of Miss Marinel and the SK Chairman Andes.
Ulitin ko po, best in casual wear.
Ito po yun ang primerong minor award, best in casual wear. Once again, congratulations, candidate number 1, best in casual wear. And partner, ang sa tuyang next minor award,
Best in production number.
best in production number mga tugang. Iyo po yung si pinakamagayon maghiro kasubago sa indang production number. And of course, ang sa kuya pong choreographer, ang sa kuyang kapartner, si Sir Mr. Elmer Ortega.
To award the trophy for best in production number, may we call on Honorable Weng Cielos.
Honorable Weng Cielos, and kung ang parents po, naapo doon na kandidata.
Best in production number, garnering an average score of 90.75%.
Halang kawon. Ano, partner?
Our best in production number is none other than candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2, best in production number.
Anybody from
Sa iya pong parent or guardian? Yaon po? Okay, uni po din tiyo. Okay.
sister?
Sister. Okay.
Parigot yung mama.
Once again, mga tugang, candidate number 2, best in production number. And ang sa tuya pong recap lang po, ang sa tuyang best in casual wear, candidate number 1, and ang sa tuya pong best in production number, candidate number 2. And ang sa tuya partner, masunod na award,
Best in sportswear.
best in sportswear. Paki-ready lang po kang mga magurang, tangarig medyo mabilis-bilis po kita, Urachan. Ano po?
To award the trophy for best in sportswear, may we call on Honorable Bienvenido Namia. And our best in sportswear,
Best in sportswear.
garnering an average score of 88.75%.
88.75%. Halangkahon talaga mga judge magtauning score, partner. It's no other than candidate number.
Again, candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2, best in production number.
Best in sportswear.
I'm sorry, best in sportswear. Tigbabasa ko kaya subago si Sash. Best in production number. And ang sayang next award, best in sportswear.
Correct ka dyan, partner. Nakaduwa na si number 2.
Mas kita siya magagawa ng kantong makakaw siya makahakot siya ni mga
Pero urog mao na maray partner ang mga supporters kan sa tuyang mga kandidatas. Congratulations once again, candidate number 2, our best in sportswear.
Our next award is for best in long gowns.
Best in long gown. Nailin po nila nagagayo ng mga gowns kan sa tuyang mga kandidata na talagang pigprepararan to ninda.
To award the trophy, may we call on Honorable Dante M. Belen. Our best in long gown,
Best in long gown goes to candidate number.
garnering an average score of 93.75%. Our best in long gown is none other than candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2, best in long gown. Pero nakakagulpi na partner sa tuyang candidate number 2, ano?
Correct ka dyan, partner?
Nakakatulo na pong award ang sa tuyang candidate number 2. Yaon po sa iyang best in production number, best in sportswear, and best in long gown. Okay, mga tugang garo, pahigpit na po ang relevant tango niya na pagkabanggi para sa search for Miss Pacol 2008. Recap lang partner, ano? Best in casual wear, candidate number 1. Best in production number, best in sportswear, and best in long gown. Down po sa candidate number 2.
Correct ka dyan, partner. Our next award is for Miss Talent.
Miss Talent. So mga tugang, we have 3 finalists para sa talent portion kasubago. So we have candidate number 1, number 4, and number 10. Tama po ano? Okay, we have 3 finalists para sa Miss Talent.
To award our Miss Talent for the trophy, may we call on our beloved Punong Barangay, Honorable Jose Marie J. Mercado. Our Miss Talent
Miss Talent goes to candidate number.
Miss Talent is none other than candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1, Marinel Ramos, Miss Talent. Partner, garo binabanga-banga kan duwang kandidata.
May partner.
Nasay na po si Punong Barangay Jose Mercado. Okay, kung mayo garo yaon man si yaon si Kagawad.
Okay, si ano na lang garo. SK Chairman, ay, mali. Honorable Dante M. Belen to award the trophy, the sash, and the bouquet.
Okay. Partner, recap lang, ang sa tuyang candidate number 1 is best in casual wear, at the
Correct.
same time, Miss Talent. And candidate number 2, best in production number, best in sportswear, and best in long gown. Iba pa po kitang duwang minor award, which is the Miss Photogenic and Miss Friendship.
Our next award is for Miss Friendship.
Miss Friendship. Si Saida po sa pag-una nito sa tuyang Miss Friendship. May 3, may 4, may 1, may